Hi, welcome to RT channel. Today we would like to bring you a painting industry air filter. First, I would like to show you a picture. Do you often see this in dry spray booth? White color appearance with several holes, which we often call it concertina paper filter, V-type paint filter paper, floated dry type filter paper. Mainly used to collect the paint mist particles and powder in working space. Whirlpool airflow guide design, high filtering efficiency, V-shaped depth bearing, high dust holding capacity and low pressure. Simple installation. Simply recycle paint particles and dust particles. Reproducible paper, environmental and high efficiency. Long serving life and long replacement frequency. Why we need it? Too much paint fill up the room will be harmful to the human health and lead a bad spray effect. What makes it possible to collect such paints? Excellent double-layer craft paper, inventively arranged holes, extensible construction. How can we know the quality? First, the hardness of the paper media. Second, pleated amount. Third, glue to attach two layers. Of course, the most direct way to know is a sample testing. Hold it in hand, feel the quality. Put it into use. One thing should be noticed. When we start to use it, we should extend it and fix it in the filtration air to ensure the best filtration effect. Common size is 1 by 10 meters, 16 mm high. Other size can be customized. Two options for your choice, with large synthetic layer and no synthetic layer. And about the package, we normally use the white box, and we also can print your logo here. 15 days production time. Back order packing like this picture shows. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website www.rtfiltech.com. Also, you can subscribe our channel to get more updates on the air filter industry knowledge.